Well, hello. We're going to give you a little bit different of an update this time. We're going to talk a little bit about our software that we use for a lot of our design. This year we have started using a new software program. In the past we've kind of done everything in 2D, very traditional old-fashioned CAD or hand drawing. And this year we started off using a program called Onshape that's a browser-based 3D CAD with finite element analysis capabilities. And today what I'm working on is the Gryffin, our new scrambler, the dual sport model, a brush guard, or basically is a guard that protects the engine and the lower frame if you're riding off-road and you want to go over a tree stump or if rocks are flying up. This is an aluminum guard that will be formed and welded. And today we kind of have the rough shape worked out, actually done mostly on the fabrication shop floor, just kind of cutting it out of raw aluminum. But what I'm doing is kind of finalizing that design ready for laser cutting. And then we're adding some weight reduction holes or slots. And so what I'm doing right now is kind of figuring out what we want that to look like. We're kind of looking at whether we want to do some slots like this in one of the side panels, or if we want to do kind of more traditional speed holes that would be more of an ornamental thing, kind of give it some shape and give it a more 3D, it would look really good on the bike. We've got the rough idea worked out. These would be slots where it integrates with the engine brackets that actually attach it to the bike. And what I'm going to be doing is creating a print from this actual, this is a 3D model of what the raw aluminum laser cut panel will look like out of a sheet metal. And then we'll create over here, we'll turn this into a print that gets sent to our fabrication shop, and the print will then, you can place a PO or a shop order to build that part from a laser cut part. So this print involves all the information you need to build that, what material it is, what the thickness is, and then all the, as you can see here, all the dimensions necessary. This would be a detail showing what the mounting slot measurements are. So that's what we call a detail of the print. From here, this will go back to our fabrication shop. They'll order the laser cut part, and they will form it using these brake lines into this kind of really sculpted shape that will then be able to mount right on the bike and become an upgrade for the Gryffin. At this stage, we're still in the prototyping phase, so we may kind of refine it. It may not fit exactly like we want it to. So this is something that's it'll take a couple more weeks to kind of get to the final stage, but this is kind of a brief look at what the design process looks like for a part that goes on one of our motorcycles.